Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Vauxhall Astra. Basically, customer complain this belt making noise. Now you thinking which belt? I'll show you in a minute. First of all, I'm going to start the car and show you what's the symptoms or what's the problem for the car. Basically, this car been to the another garage. They done the diagnostic and they came to me to do the job. I'm going to start the car. Car all fine. I'm going to give more acceleration. No, I can't hear any unusual noise. Basically, they said there is a noise coming from engine bay, but basically they asked me to change serpentine belt or driver belt or fan belt, alternator belt, all same name. They said while they driving it's making the noise, but however I'm going to rev the car again. No, I couldn't hear any unusual noise. I'm sorry, but however they came to the job. Then I'm going to show you what's the crucial job for the belt, and after that I'll show you how we're going to change the belt. Vauxhall Astra 2013 model. Basically, when you're going to change this belt, you need to remove this mount, because this belt going over the mount, otherwise we can't remove the belt or we can't install new belt. Because of that, we need to remove bond here, then after that we can remove the belt. You can see now this spring, this is the tensioner. We need to deactivate for the changing belt, right? Okay, first of all I'm going to do the small diagram and show you what's the job for this belt. This is the top side. Okay, this belt run with 4 pulleys, right? This is the main pulley, right? This is the main pulley. Then after that it's going to the tension. Then after that it's coming to the alternator. After that water pump. Then here AC compressor. This is the normally it's run with 5 pulleys. Alternator, water pump, it's going like this. It start from the main pulley, it's going behind the tensioner, around the alternator, around the water pump, AC, and the again coming to the main pulley. This is the diagram for the this car, right? Basically, you start the car, sometime when you put the gears and gas down, you can hear like a like that noise. Basically, screaming noise belt. Could be worn belt, could be worn pulley. I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. If I can find out anything, I'll let you know. And also, if it's the fully worn, you can see like this damaged belt. You can see the just this is the brand new belt, but edge worn. See, edge damage because worn pulley. Sometime when you fold the belt other way like this, you can see like a crack mark here, like a crack mark, this rubber line, you can see like a crack. If you see the crack mark, you need to do the belt. That's mean it's time over, right? If it not, you can see the top of the belt here, tiny shiny mark. You can see here this shiny mark also the making belt worn. Basically, one pulley touch or it's not touched properly, that's why the that making the groove. If you see like that deeper mark, time to change the belt. However, at the moment I'm not sure what's going on there, but if this belt fail, basically if this belt break or jumped out, after that your alternator not working. If your alternator not working, your battery will not charge, because the alternator or dynamo spinning, it give power for the charging your battery. If belt broken, your alternator not spinning. If it not spinning, your battery not charging. One problem. And the second problem, this is your water pump, it's not work. If your water pump not work, your engine get hot. After that, water need to go through the engine to cool down the engine. Your engine will not cool down. You ending with overheating, or worst way, head gasket failure. Make sure this belt need to be proper condition and the proper working order. Otherwise, alternator not working, water pump not work. And also, this is the another problem, your AC not working, right? If you need AC, you have to press the button inside, but it's not working. And also, this car doesn't any problem, because this car only 3 run with the belt: alternator, water pump, air con compressor. This is the main pulley, doesn't matter. This is the tensioner, doesn't matter. But some cars has a power steering pump attached to the belt. If belt went, your power steering very heavy. People call, Charlie, my steering heavy. Then I ask them straight, go to the engine bay, have a look, your belt there. If your belt there, could be something else. But most time belt went, that's why alternator and the battery light on the dashboard, AC not working, overheating sign coming. Yeah, like that problem can be happen if this one went. Now you know what's the belt job, how is belt work. Okay, now next step, I'm going to jack up underneath the engine, little bit lift up, and I'll show you how we're going to change the driver belt, alternator belt, serpentine belt, auxiliary belt, whatever you call, same one. Okay, we'll see how we're going to change the belt. Right, now we need to release the tension. You need a E14 socket, and I got the extension, and you need to turn clockwise. Yeah, and after that I'm going to use this pin and lock the back. I'll show you once I do the job. Yeah, basically I can't find the correct pin for there. See, this one need to fully locked. What I'm going to do, I don't want to use this one, but I'm going to remove the belt. Done. Yeah, okay. Now we can remove the belt. Right. Yeah. Now I can remove the belt. Right, I remove the belt. No, I can't see any fault for the belt. Then I'm check the pulleys. It's nice and spinning. Yeah, water pump pulley okay. Air con pulley okay. We'll see the alternator. Yeah, alternator okay. And the tensioner. Yeah, okay. I can't see any problem, but this is the groove making from the tensioner. You can see in the middle. Yeah, you can see the groove here. See this groove. That's why the belt has a groove. Anyway, I can't see any problem. Then I'm going to check with the new belt and the old belt, compare. If it's okay, I'm going to reinstall. Looks okay. We'll see the old belt numbers. You can see here 5K 1334. New one 5K 1334. Spot on, exactly the correct. Then I'm going to install. Same way, if you can't remember, you can follow our diagram at the beginning. It doesn't matter, you can install this side or that side, but I'm happy to install this way, then anyone can read the letters. Yeah, it's in. Then after that I'm going to take out this pin. Yeah, now belt in, make sure it's all in the grooves. Yeah, it's in the groove. Yeah, then I'm going to install engine mount, airbox, connect this clip for the mass airflow sensor. Yeah, then after that I'm going to start the car and check. We done the belt, we done the engine mount, and we done the airbox sensor. All okay now. I'm going to start the car. Yeah, all look good for me. Yeah, if customer come back, I'll let you know what's going on here. But however, this is the requested job I done, and now you know how is the belt working, and you have a rough idea if it belt when what happened. Yeah, I'm happy with everything. If you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click the link and you can join with to us. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, more video requirement, whatever, everything with you, you can leave comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.